Going to show you this beautiful pattern. This is basic pattern, it's not complicated. We are using only knit and purl for this pattern. This is beginners level pattern, and we need cast on multiples of 6 plus 3 stitches for this pattern. And also we are going to repeat this rows 1 to 4, we repeating same thing, and also 5 to 8 we repeating same knit and purl stitches. And I show you how to do this. Cast on 23 stitches for this pattern, and 6 multiples of 3 plus 3 stitches plus 2 edge stitches. And first row I need to do 3 knits and 3 purls. First I am going to do my edge stitch, and now I am starting my pattern. Is I need 3 purls, 3 purls, 1 2 3 3 purls and 3 knits. 1 2 3. Again 3 purls, 1 2 3, and again 3 knits. Keep going until end. And my last stitch I am going to purl. This is my selvage stitch. Okay, and turn my work and keep going again. First row, purl 3, knit 3, and first selvage stitch I am going to knit and purl 3, knit 3. Okay, purl 3, knit 3. And row 2 and row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and these rows are going to the purl 3, knit 3. Repeat these rows, and I will meet with you row 5. Now I finished 4 rows. Now I'm going to do 5th row, 6th row, and 7 and 8. These 4 rows we are going to do knit 3, purl 3, and I'm going to do 5th one. I'm going to do first selvage stitch, and now I do 3 knits. Used to be I did 3 purl, now I 3 knits, 3 purl, other way round. Now 3 purl, 2 3, again knit 3, purl 3, so 3 purl 3. Last one I'm going to do purl. This is my end of my 5th row. I am going to do 6th row. 6th row also I'm going to do 3 knits, 3 purl, and keep going until I finish row 8. I show it to you. Its pattern is look like this, and this is the other side, and I show more after few more rows. You can't see pattern appear here, you can't see much now. When I am done little bit more, it's appear very well. After few rows, look at this our pattern. You can see now our pattern. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and check out my other videos for more fun crochet projects. Bye bye, see you again.